Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put videos side by side in CapCut. So make sure you have already opened your CapCut and imported the clip that you want to put video side by side. So simply what you need to do is simply double press onto the clip and drag over here. And again double click onto this clip and drag over here. So after it's onto this timeline, what you need to do is simply double press again and put it up. And that is it. This is how you can put the video side by side. And over here in the top of this preview, what you need to do is you can simply shorten your clip by cropping it. And you can also move it right or left on the screen. And you can adjust the both videos until they fit side by side. And over here, you can also select the ratio on the bottom and you can select as per your preferences. And after you're done, you can simply export this video in the top right. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.